In this video, we're going to talk about adding customer reviews to your ChatHQ Engagement Widget. So as you can see, I already have my customer review tool here set up. And if I click in here, you can see I have customer reviews. We got some spam here from Facebook, but you can see Google and Facebook. We have the total review number, like the overall number, and then like the total review count. We also have a write a review button here. So I'm actually going to walk you through this and show you how to set all this up. So let's back out and let's go to add a new tool. Actually, I have to delete this one. So let's go ahead and delete this one. We only allow one tool, one review tool. So I already had that one. So let's just go ahead and start from scratch. Set up reviews. And we're going to click in, and you're going to see that it's blank here. So we're going to give it a title. Say, check out our customer reviews, right? And we can just make that the panel title as well. We want this tool to show all the time, but we could show it during or after office hours if we have those established. I already have my agency API connected, so I'm just going to go ahead and select the location out of my high level. So we do pull these reviews directly out of high level. So whatever, whatever account you want to use, whatever sub account you want to use in your high level, it's going to pull any reviews that have aggregated inside of your high level account through the Google and Facebook integrations. So now we can actually filter based on minimum rating, right? So if we want to say, well, I want to show minimum rating of 4 stars or 4.5 stars or 5 stars, we could do that. This is a great way to like gate reviews and only show people the reviews you want to show them. We can change the color of the stars. So let's go with like a nice bold, like golden yellow here. That's a little too golden. Let's go with something like that. That's pretty good, right? Kind of get the gist there. Something cool that we added was you can use avatar colors, like avatar backgrounds. So if you notice, if I select use random colors, it kind of makes them stand out a little bit more as you're scrolling down, right? So that's pretty cool. Now here is the bread and butter right here. You can actually request reviews from people that are viewing the reviews. Realistically, this is like a multi-tiered tool, right? Like, so if somebody's viewing all your reviews, they're probably not a customer yet. But what you want to do is offer the current customers the ability to click this button and write a review. So if I click both of these boxes, you're going to see these boxes pop up here. Now I do need to add information in both these boxes for these links to go somewhere. So let's go do that now. I'm going to pause the video and pull up a few different pages. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our high level. We're going to go to the sub account that we're building this widget for. So for example, this is ChatHQ's sub account. I'm doing this because I have my Google Places or Google Maps, whatever you want to call it, connected to this account. Okay, so whoever you're building this widget for, you want to make sure you're in that sub account when you generate this link. And you want to go to settings and reputation management, and then you want to click generate link. And you're going to notice there's a nice, clean, easy to copy place ID right here. So everything after the equal sign, you want to go ahead and copy that. And then you want to go back into your widget and you want to place that here. The reason we do this in high level is because it's really clean and easy, and we've done some research on this, and Google does not make it very easy to get this place ID. So high level has done a great job at creating this like generate link, and it's really easy to just copy and paste the place ID and add it to the widget. So the second place we want to go is our Facebook page that is connected to that company. So this is obviously ChatHQ, but if this is like your customer's Facebook page or something, you want to go there. Now, I'm not showing you the URL bar at the moment, but what you want to do is grab the ID or the name of the Facebook page, and you'll see like mine's chathq.io. So you want to just paste that there. Once you apply changes, if I go to write a review and I go to open these in new tabs, you'll notice that Google's opens directly to the review box, right? So like 5-star review, whatever, right? So it opens directly there, and you can see that's the process that you want to take with customers. Is you don't want them clicking around. You want it to just open it up right away and have them leave a review. And then with Facebook, it actually opens up to the reviews tab here on the page. So they have the ability to just share feedback right away and go leave a review. So that is pretty much it. And that's the reviews tool for the engagement widget. Hope you guys learned a lot. And if you have any questions, just let us know and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks.